Hey, what's up guys? What's up YouTube?
Mine is Martin and this is my daddy Reagan.
Hey, what's up guys? And we're back again for another unboxing and a quick review. Yeah. So today we're going to unbox the new. Okay, we just pick up this one.
The ARKHAM Knight.
The ARKHAM Knight.
Yeah.
By
HOTTOYS 16 scale collectibles.
HOTTOYS 16 scale collectibles. Of course, this one is from the movie.
Movie? Yeah.
Ah no,
Video game.
I mean
video
from
game.
the video games. Yeah, guys. So this is a very quick one, guys. Let's see.
What?
Wow, look at that.
Video game 028.
Masterpiece. Video game masterpiece 028.
Yeah.
So VGM028. Yeah, you can see this ARKHAM Knight. Wow,
Open
really
it up.
nice.
Open it.
Yeah, oops, there's damage from the box. Anyway. Then, and then when you open the box, usually, yeah, you can see the cast. Yeah, of course, we always forget that the cast and crew here, right here, right. Yes. Okay. Oops. And then underneath, already saw it right away. The backdrop of this ARKHAM Knight.
Yeah.
So this is a simple one, small one. Okay. So let's start from this small
Gadgets.
package here. His weapon,
Yeah. His gadgets.
gadgets, and weapons. Or okay.
So
So
here he has. Wait. Do we open it first?
yeah, let's open it. Yes.
So he has 1, 2, 3. 3 pairs of hands and 1.
Then the extra joint right here.
Yeah, and he also has smoke bombs. I
Yeah,
think.
smoke bombs, and then this one also something like bomb too. And he has his gun. He has 2 guns, like handgun, long handgun. Actually, this is the short handgun. This one is like machine gun,
It's not a machine gun.
automatic gun, like. But this one is the handgun, small one. This one's
The pistol and
yeah,
I think this is a pistol, the tiny one.
pistol, maybe pistol. I mean,
Or maybe
he's
his own kind of
machine gun. Yeah, this one machine gun.
sniper.
Yeah, snipe. Okay, and then let's take it out so you guys can see it, right? You already saw it, the accessories on the front wall. There's more accessories or inside. Actually, it's not accessories, but some. Ooh, because ARKHAM Knight, he can change to Red Hood.
Oh, he's also Redwood?
Yeah, see?
Oh, so
think,
who is he? What's his name in the game?
Huh?
What's
ARKHAM Knight.
no, without the mask.
I forgot the name. So of course he doesn't have cape.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
It's like
very
a
nice.
military.
Yeah. So
Is he
he has, yeah, just the interchangeable plates, the color.
Yeah.
So yeah, so again, so this is the base. Yeah, it's very nice. Simple one. Blur. Okay. Then let's take it out. The
Plastic.
yeah, so it has a lot of plastic. It's very light. Not really that heavy, but it's like, oops, yeah. Okay, so it's not really heavy compared to Batman.
Yeah.
There's extra battery here, so meaning there's a light parts. I'm not sure which one. I think this one. Maybe. I don't know if the head Take a look the manual. So yeah, you guys can see it already. That's the accessories and what you can see inside the box. Okay.
Yeah.
Now what we're going to do is we're gonna check that light. That light on his head. Yeah, and then you can only change it from underneath to the half face. Yes, there you go. You guys see it. So when you pull that upper part of his face, and then yeah, you can see the. I'm going to put the batteries later, so we can see if it's working or not.
Oh,
I
think this is the smoke bomb, and these are just plain grenades. No, all of these are grenades. No smoke bombs here.
Yeah. So Martin changed already the head. So then let's try the chest plate. So you guys saw it already.
I think it's the same name. It's just different costume, Daddy.
Huh?
I think he has the same name with the red one.
Yeah.
Probably. Right, Daddy? That's
Probably when you say red hood, that's the face.
Hood.
Yeah. So you guys can see it. The chest can change the color. Right.
This red matches black better, I think.
Not really. The original one is the blue.
Because he has red colors here.
Yeah, but the original one is
Blue.
blue. Right.
But he also
So, yeah, there you go, guys. Articulation for the elbows. You can actually bend more, but then problem is this one. There's
don't
part
bend it
here.
excessively.
Yeah, but because this one is it's easy to bend compared to the other material. I mean, like also easy to damage. Yeah, this leather here, this leather. This one is easy flaking. This one they call it yeah, very
Just like my
easy
jacket, which has the same material.
and the material of the pants is like a fabric mixed of leather. Fabric mix of leather, yeah.
Or
And then yeah, some parts
I
here
think
leather
that is
too.
rubber.
Yeah, the body, his armor,
I think that's
leather.
rubber or plastic.
And then the back, this one mix leather. So it's all mixed up, yeah. All mixed rubber, leather or leatherette, rubber, plastic. Yeah, so you gotta be careful. Leg. So the leg, the hand, the arms here, you can change those blue colors. All the blue colors, you can actually change it. So the gun, I think this one, oh yeah, you can put some. So yeah, here on the side, you can put the
Grenade. The smoke grenade.
Yeah, you can see it right there.
And,
And
this tiny piece over here.
Yeah, and this on the side here. And then the guns, of course, he has to hold it. Yeah, so there's no space or there's no place for him to put his gun on his body. So I think that's it, guys. Yeah, I already said I mean, yeah, the articulation already showed you. The legs, only the knees. This one is easy. It's better like fabric and mixed up, so it's not really thick one, so it's not hard to bend. I mean, compare to Batman. Here, front, shoulder, not that much. I can see, guys. Alright, so the head, yeah, the loose one. This one's loose. I don't know why. It's like. So yes. How about you, Martin? What can you say about this figure?
The details are really nice. You can see there's lots of details everywhere. The leather is also nice. You can see, and the paint job, because it's also really nice. Can't see any place without colors, and you can see the battle damages on his arm. You can see it's really you can see it easily.
Mm-hmm.
Like, it's obvious that it's like battle damaged. And details on his head sculpt is really nice.
Yeah, there are two head sculpt. I mean,
really,
there are two, not head sculpt, but the armor, the helmet. Yes.
Yeah. But it's all high. Both of them are high tech.
Yeah, high tech look. Yeah.
Yeah, and the like the costume is like military. You can see it. And the smoke grenades are really nice, and everything's
It's like
really
abstract,
nice.
actually, abstract camouflage thing.
Oh, everything is really nice.
Yeah, so many details on this body.
Yeah.
And it's not really heavy, so easy to somehow display,
Yeah.
or maybe do some poses. Yeah. So it's not that really hard.
I think it's better
very
than
nice,
the Arkham Knight Batman.
Huh?
I think it's better than the Arkham Knight Batman.
Maybe not. Yeah. Alright, so I think that's it, guys. Just a very quick one. Yeah. And we'll put the weapon later on his hand, like on other videos, okay, or I mean like the continuation of these videos. Okay, so I'm going to put the weapon on his hands and then try it on. Also the battery, the light up on his blue Arkham Knight helmet. And I think that's it. Yeah, that's just a very quick one. Okay, so yeah, what are you gonna say to them, Martin?
If you want to watch our next video, please subscribe down below and leave a like.
Yeah, and then comment if you have some suggestion.
Suggestions and
question.
comment.
Yeah.
Just comment down there.
Yes, thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Yeah, peace out. Yeah. Boom. Oh.